In this video, we will show you how to remove the SIM card in your phone. The SIM card, or the Subscriber Identification Module, allows a phone to be connected to a specific carrier and a phone number. You may need to remove your SIM card if you are switching your phone and adding a new one, changing carriers, or if your SIM card is damaged. There are 3 sizes of SIM cards: Standard, Nano, and Micro. Your phone will fit one of these 3 sizes. Note that the process of removing your SIM card will vary depending upon your specific phone. The SIM card is typically located in one of 2 places: under the back plate or in a tray accessible from the side edge of your phone. We will show you how to remove your SIM card for both locations. Make sure that you power off your phone before you attempt to change your SIM card. On phones that have a removable back plate, the SIM card is likely under that back plate. If your phone has a replaceable battery, you may have to remove the battery to get to the SIM slot. To access the SIM slot, remove the back and look for a small tray. Some SIM trays may have a little movable cover, like a door. Lift this cover and drop the SIM card in place. Replace the back cover and power your phone back up. If your phone doesn't have a removable back, then your SIM card is likely accessible through a removable tray on the side edge of your phone. To pop out the tray, use either a SIM removal tool that came with your phone, or simply a small paper clip. Insert it into the tiny hole next to the SIM tray slot, and gently push it in until the tray pops out. Pull out the SIM tray, and if replacing the SIM card, remove the old SIM card and drop in the new one. The tray is notched to match the shape of the card, so you can't put it in backwards. Insert the tray back into the slot and gently push it back in.